or anything that is happening within our state.
Ka ayam le kemen kelawan biang sahisin wat apeng kijing dat tha ta samjong telang kibriu klemi pat ba ha ki surok bat kilenti kisengkin ban yarwai kijing roi Krismas bat ban lej pat ba sayo knailat ban thit kijing thit nag ban ta kijing don kam Krismas jongki ha ka kubor Krismas jong Reverend Himanshu Christian ubare presbytery in charge jong ka diocese kapang jete mi ngi kari India Church of North India ulang bagajing mod bapura jong Krismas kadai ke Jingkyrmen wat Hapdeng Jingshitom ke babon namar balakha yu Jisu ban pelat yem ya ka perthai.
In the midst of all this negativity, this Christmas, let it reminds us of the love of God for all the people. As Gospel according to St. John 3:16 says, God so loved the world that he gave his only son Jesus Christ, and whoever believes in him will not perish but have eternal life. And the peace of God which passes all understanding, because Jesus Christ said, my peace I live with you, and it gives us the hope of a better tomorrow.
Ke education